For as long as humans have gazed upward, we have wondered, are we alone in this vast cosmos? This question, ancient and profound, has propelled one of the most ambitious scientific endeavors ever undertaken: the search for extraterrestrial intelligence, or SETI. What began as a hopeful experiment with a modest radio telescope in the 1960s has grown into a global quest. Yet for decades, the cosmos has remained silent, its vastness echoing with the absence of answers. But silence is not emptiness. It is a challenge, a call to innovate, to deepen our curiosity and sharpen our tools. Today, the search is transforming. Fueled by revolutionary advances in technology, powered by artificial intelligence, and guided by our growing understanding of the universe, SETI stands on the threshold of a new era, one in which the dream of contact feels closer than ever before. This is not just a story of telescopes and signals. It is a story of human hope, ingenuity, and the relentless desire to connect with something greater than ourselves. In the early days, SETI was a simple idea. Listen for radio signals from the stars that might betray the presence of another intelligent civilization. Frank Drake's pioneering experiment, known as Project Ozma, targeted just 2 nearby stars, hoping to catch a whisper in the cosmic static. That first attempt yielded no reply, but it sparked something far greater: a scientific discipline rooted in patience, persistence, and possibility. For decades, radio telescopes turned slowly, scanning narrow slices of the electromagnetic spectrum, searching for the so-called narrowband signals that could only be artificial in origin. This painstaking process was limited by the technology of the time: analog receivers, manual data analysis, and slow computing power. Yet the silence persisted. But science never stands still. As we moved into the 21st century, new technologies have transformed SETI from a niche endeavor to a frontier of big data and cutting-edge analytics. We've moved from single-dish radios to massive arrays capable of scanning wide swaths of sky simultaneously, from human eyes to computers trained to analyze billions of data points in real time. The revolution is underway, and it promises to change not only what we look for, but how we listen. The universe speaks in a language filled with noise. Pulsars flash their signals, quasars beam their energy, and human-made satellites hum with their own chatter. Distinguishing a true sign of intelligent origin from this cosmic cacophony is a monumental task. For decades, this challenge rested on human researchers who manually sifted through enormous amounts of data, hunting for patterns that stood out. Today, that burden has shifted. Artificial intelligence, or AI, and machine learning algorithms have become SETI's new listening posts. These systems are trained on vast libraries of cosmic signals, learning to recognize the subtle signatures of natural phenomena, and more importantly, to flag anomalies that defy natural explanation. This is a paradigm shift. Instead of passive listeners, AI systems become active explorers, capable of detecting faint signals lost in noise, unusual patterns that might otherwise go unnoticed, and transient bursts that last only milliseconds. They can rapidly reanalyze decades of archived data, revealing potential candidates long buried beneath the static. The promise is enormous. With AI as our partner, the quiet cosmos may finally begin to speak, and we may finally have the capacity to hear. In the past, SETI's reach was limited by the size and sensitivity of individual radio telescopes. They could peer deeply into a narrow patch of sky, but missed much of the cosmic tapestry unfolding overhead. That is changing dramatically. Today, Arrays like South Africa's meerkat combine dozens of individual dishes into a single, powerful instrument. By synchronizing their signals, these arrays can observe large portions of the sky with extraordinary precision, capturing radio waves too faint for previous generations to detect. Even more ambitious is the forthcoming Square Kilometer Array, SK, set to become the largest radio telescope ever built. With thousands of dishes spread across continents, the SKA will scan the skies at unprecedented sensitivity and speed, revolutionizing not only SETI but all of astronomy. But SETI is no longer limited to radio waves. Advances in optical SETI allow scientists to search for laser pulses, brief, intense flashes of light that could serve as intentional beacons from advanced civilizations. These pulses, lasting just billionths of a second, could carry vast amounts of information and be detectable across thousands of light years. With these new tools, the search is expanding in every direction, broader, deeper, faster, turning the sky from a whispering mystery into a realm of active exploration. For centuries, the very existence of other worlds was a matter of speculation. Were planets around other stars rare anomalies, or common places where life might arise? Thanks to space missions like Kepler and TESS, we now know that planets are abundant, billions orbiting stars in our galaxy alone. Many reside in the habitable zone, where conditions might allow liquid water, the foundation of life as we know it. This flood of data has revolutionized SETI's approach. No longer must we scan blindly, hoping for a random signal from a distant star. Instead, we can target systems where life is more likely, where Earth-like worlds orbit sun-like stars. We can analyze atmospheric compositions for biosignatures, signs of oxygen, methane, or other chemicals indicative of life, and tune our searches for technological signals that might accompany them. This targeted strategy multiplies our chances of success, focusing precious resources on the most promising cosmic neighborhoods. Life leaves traces. Civilization leaves signatures. While biosignatures speak to the presence of life itself, technosignatures hint at advanced civilizations, evidence of technology at scales beyond biology. Imagine a star dimmed not by natural causes, but by colossal structures engineered to capture energy, the theoretical Dyson spheres or swarms. Or consider unusual radio signals that cannot be explained by known astrophysical processes, or even pollution in a distant exoplanet's atmosphere, a chemical footprint of industry. SETI scientists are broadening their search to include these possibilities, modeling what alien technology might look like across cosmic distances. They ask, what would a civilization's electromagnetic leak sound like? Could we spot waste heat from massive engineering projects? Might we recognize flashes of laser communication between stars? By expanding our search to these novel signatures, SETI increases its chances of discovering not just life, but intelligent life, a cosmic society perhaps far older and more advanced than our own. At its core, SETI is more than a scientific pursuit. It is a profoundly human endeavor. It embodies our hope, our fear, and our longing for connection. Are we the universe's only conscious beings? Or are we part of a vast, vibrant cosmic community? The answer holds implications not only for science, but for philosophy, religion, and how we understand ourselves. As we develop new technologies and expand our horizons, SETI invites us to imagine a future where the stars are no longer distant and silent, but alive with possibility. Whatever the outcome, the search itself transforms us, inspiring wonder, humility, and a deeper appreciation for the fragile, beautiful life we call home. In the coming decades, as new telescopes scan the skies and AI parses data faster than ever imagined, we may finally receive the signal we've long awaited. And when that day comes, it will change everything.